A Chime account usually gets unfrozen only after the security verification inside the app is completed and the flagged activity is cleared. That means the restriction is not random, and it stays active until the system confirms your identity and recent activity are safe. By the end, you'll know what actually causes the freeze, how to remove it step by step, and what mistakes make it last longer. When an account with Chime gets frozen, it is usually triggered by security checks rather than account errors. The most common trigger is identity information that does not fully match verification records, which causes the system to pause activity. Unusual login behavior can also trigger a freeze, especially when the account is accessed from a new device or a different location than usual. Repeated failed transactions or reverse deposits can also signal risk, which leads the system to temporarily block account activity. Even simple actions like multiple password changes in a short period can add to the security flag and extend the restriction. To unfreeze the account, the first step is to open the Chime app and check for any security alerts or verification prompts. If the app is asking for identity confirmation, complete it using accurate legal details so the system can match your profile correctly. If any personal information like name or address is slightly different from official records, correct it before submitting again. Next, reset your password if you recently had failed login attempts, since that helps clear suspicious access signals. Turn on two-factor authentication, if it is available, because it helps the system recognize trusted logins going forward. Avoid repeated login attempts or repeated transaction retrieves, since that can keep the freeze active longer instead of fixing it. If there are no visible prompts inside the app, the restriction is usually under manual review. In that case, contact in-app support and ask for the exact reason your account is restricted so they can check internal security flags. While waiting for review, avoid using VPNs or switching devices frequently, since changing access patterns can extend the freeze. Keep all login activity consistent until the restriction is cleared. To sum it up, account freezes usually come from identity verification issues, unusual login activity, or flagged transactions. The fastest way to fix it is completing verification, correcting personal details, and stopping repeated login attempts. If the issue is still active, support has to clear the internal restriction before access returns. The next step is to open your app and check for any verification prompts or security messages so you know exactly what is blocking your account. Like and subscribe for more simple fixes for common banking issues explained in plain steps.